just welcome to the Compliance Complete Conference. Just wanted to ask you all, I mean, how long have you all been members of CAP?
We have been for the last 3 years. Yeah.
And how did you hear about CAP?
Well, I heard it from ma'am.
Yeah, I heard about CAP about 30 years ago or so. And at that time I was associated with an organization called SOFOSH, Society of Friends of the Sassoon Hospitals in Pune. I don't remember exactly who suggested it, but I contacted Naushir and we required some information which he of course gave. Then I was also associated with the KEM hospital in Pune. So I got KEM also on board for CAP and now the Morris Foundation. Because they have so much information which is useful for NGOs, so much guidance.
So you've been able to how do you find the knowledge? I mean, there is one thing is giving knowledge and one thing is able to translate that into your work and get it make it useful for your organization. So how do you find the information that is provided? Are you able to how
Yes. So we were able to actually streamline our processes. We were able to our finance processes, our FCRA processes, whatever we are doing. So we were guided by Mr. Naushir, so we knew we were going on a right track, and then whatever deficits were there, he guided us. So we actually were able to streamline our processes. And second thing, I think they helped us with our bank accounts and how we should be in the right we should subscribe to savings account and save money and all those things. Yeah.
So why do you think compliance is important to NGOs and organizations, foundations alike?
Well, compliance is essential so that you keep within the limits of the laws applicable to NGOs and you work in a professional manner. You are you do the right things, whatever is required for running your NGO on a in a systematic way rather than an ad hoc way. That's
I think this compliance help us to also keep our processes like law compliant, but it will help us to get more donors because they can see that we are following all the laws, so we're following all good practices. So then it will help get more donors. Yeah.
And is this your first time at the conference? Compliance Complete Conference.
compliance first time.
First time.
So
First time.
you've come in with specific expectations.
I don't know about
Any specific things that you want answered, you want to go out?
And I think okay, to be very honest, I wanted to attend it and see what all it is about. But I think after the fundraising lecture, I'm like glad I'm here. It has satisfied our very basic information about fundraising. So and already we have started expecting more now.
Thank you so much.